Hello everyone, welcome to DevEasy. In this video we will see how to send notification using Python. To send a notification we need some information. So we will just access our battery and we will see if it is 100% we will send a notification to remove the plug, and if it is less than 50% or something we will just ask to charge your laptop. For that I have created a folder naming battery notification, and inside this I have a custom.icon file which is an icon of battery which we will be using in the notification. If you don't have a dot icon file, you can just convert a png to dot icon using Google. You can just convert it, and after this we will just create a file notify.py, and inside this we will be writing the code, and we will be needing three modules. One is from Win10 Toast. We will import toast notifier, and we will import time, and we will import sutil. Okay, so toast notifier is used to send the notification, time is used to set a break or something, and sutil is used to access the battery of our laptop. So we will just create two variable, one for toast and one for battery. So I'll create one toaster equal to toast notifier, and I'll create battery equal to sutil dot sensor battery. And now we will check if our battery is plugged in or not. If it is plugged in and if it is 100% charged, we will send a notification to remove remove the plug. And if it is not plugged in and if it is less than 30%, we will just send a notification to charge our laptop. So for that we will be needing a while loop, infinite while loop. So I'll create a while loop of infinite, and we will check the condition if the laptop is plugged in or not. So we'll write if battery dot power plugged equal to true. Inside this we will write another condition, if battery dot percent equal to 100. We will just send a notification. To send a notification we will use toaster dot show toast. Inside this you will have one header, and we will tell battery full. This is our header, or you can call it as this is the title, and then the body we will just write please remove the plug, and then we will just set the path for our icon. So icon path equal to, in single quotation we will just give the path of this. This is in the same folder, so I will give custom.ico. So in this only .ico file works. If you give png it will throw up an error, and then we will set a duration. We will set a duration of 5 seconds, and then I will check, we will write an else condition, and we will check when what to do when the battery is not plugged in. And if the battery is not plugged in, we will check if it is battery dot percent equal to 30. Again we will throw the toaster dot show toast. We will tell battery, and the title we will give please charge the laptop. So this must be in the single quotation, and then I will give the icon path. Then I will give duration as same 5 seconds, and then after this we will have to give some time to sleep so that it don't keep on showing the message. So I will just give time dot sleep for 10 minutes, so that you have 10 minutes to remove the plug. If you don't remove, it will show the notification again, and in this case we will just give 5 minutes time dot sleep 300. So this will sleep for 10 minutes and this will sleep for 5 minutes. So if our battery is here, it will be less than 30%, we will just get a notification, and if we are not charging it, we will keep on getting the notification in each 5 minutes. So we will just run this and see how it works. I'll just you got the notification here. You can, okay, so it's went. So I'll give the notification a bit longer, and I'll just stop the code. Okay, I'll run it again. Okay, here you go. We got the notification telling battery is full, please remove the plug, and you have the icon here. So this is it. You can just play with anything to send the notification, like to take a break or something like that. Here I have used to show the battery, and also you can no need to run this every time. You can just use scheduler in Windows and just make it run when you log into the computer, so that it keeps on running all the time. And that's it about Toast Notifier. Thank you.